This video is going to show you how to graph a line from an equation in slope-intercept form. If you remember slope-intercept, it says y equals mx plus b. M means slope, and b is the y-intercept. So say I have an equation like this. Y equals 2x plus 1. What this is telling me right away is that the slope, m, is 2, and the y-intercept, b, is positive 1. There are two ways to figure out the first point. I like to put in 0 for x and see what I get for y. If I put in 0 for x, I get 2 times 0 plus 1. 2 times 0 is just 0, so that disappears. I'm left with y equals plus 1. So I know that when x equals 0, y equals plus 1. There are two ways I can go from here. The first is I can start putting in other values for x, 1 and 2, and see what happens. If I put in 1 for x, I get y equals 2 times 1 plus 1. 2 times 1 is just 2, plus 1 equals 3. And I can plot that at 1, 3. Then maybe I'll try plugging in a negative number like negative 2. I'll get y equals 2 times negative 2 for x plus 1. Negative 4 plus 1 equals negative 3. So if I plot these, negative 2 goes left 2 and down 3. And then I take a ruler, I can graph my line from these points. But I can also just use the slope. When I plug in 0, this term disappears. So I know right away that whatever number is at the end here, this is the number of steps up or down that I should put my first point. Whatever number is in here for b is the y-intercept. That means on this y-axis, I just go up or down this number of steps and put my first point. Because I know that my slope is 2, I know that from this point here, my y-intercept, I'm going to go up 2 over 1. Every step of the way. I go up 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1. So I don't actually need to plug in any values for x. I just look at the last number in my equation to tell me where I'm starting, right on the y-axis, and then I use my slope to tell me where to go, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Always remember to connect your dots with a ruler, and that is the graph of your line.